Welcome and be inspired with Dominic. Procrastination is a major issue for me. I have a large number of ideas, so many ideas, that I want to get to. And I also have some ideas where I have a good idea on how to actually achieve them. But I find it hard to decide, and then this is pretty much what happens. So today I'm going to make an effort.
Well, he certainly did not make an effort with this intro.
But I probably procrastinate first.
I mean, it's cool and all to watch a master procrastinator at work, but any objections if I fast forward it for a bit? Not from me. I won't ask how you did that. Probably better that way.
So I think now I'm ready. If only someone could fast forward that. Oh well. Let's get to it. Let's make an effort. Sorry, it happened again.
Hey, I remember that piece of metal. It's used to make dowels. Duels? No, dowels. Wooden ones. How come you remember jigs he used in videos ages ago, but you forget to keep our ritual supply closet stocked when it is literally one of your very few responsibilities in this cult? Maybe he only remembers things that he enjoys. What do you have to say for yourself, Cultist 3? I would probably have put it more delicately. That is good to hear. You would think so, yeah. I am beginning to think that this is kind of a waste of time. I think we learned a lot though. And were entertained along the way too. Let's just get back to thwarting, okay?
actually made an effort. Or an effort. It's a stupid pun, isn't it? And you may be wondering, why did you actually watch this video? Well, for starters, it's probably my good looks and, well, I think they call it hair. And my magnificent editing. Yeah, probably. I'll go with that. But actually, this is about the fact that even stupid ideas can yield results. This is, well, it's a good conversation starter. There are many techniques in this, and it only took a couple of hours spread over a couple of days to make this. I could improve on it, make all these bits pointy, because why not? Or make them all not pointy and file them down. There are edges to sand. The whole thing could do with a couple layers of paint or other embellishments. There also is no door, and I don't think that's the proper care for an E to lock it up, but it can probably jump. So why did I do this? The main reason is to get back into the shop and to actually do something. This has inspired a number of project ideas, and I've already started some, mainly using this round dowel stock, which is on the one hand easy to make, on the other hand you can just buy it and then go ahead from there. So whether you decide to make an effort or an effort. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe because, like I said, I have a number of videos coming eventually, and also ring the bell because, yeah, do you know how hard bell making is? And you just get to ring it. So thank you for watching, and as always, remember to be inspired.